Second annual rock skipping contest.
It turned out it was a selfie stick. I was like, oh.
Here we are. That side is Mexico. Right there, through that little hole there is Boquillas, the little town we're gonna go to.
I mean, no. So I mean, yeah, either tonight or tomorrow night.
Well, I thought if we could call, then we could call today, but we can't call today.
Say cheese, Danny.
Cheese.
There we go. Got this stuff figured out.
More water than last
Here we go. Had to bail it out, Ben.
Hey guys, let me cross in. There we go.
Going for a ride in Mexico. Look at the baby.
Cute.
They are cute.
Like a big fur baby. We're going to the baby for some reason.
Buenos dias. Nice. Trying to get a picture taken. It didn't take first time. Everybody climbed on that rock.
So it's an honor to receive it, and you pass it on right away. It can only travel by motorcycle.
And did that get it through the organizers, or?
I don't know who made it, but it's a.
Hey John, I'm gonna go up here and take a picture. Tell me if it flashes.
It's been,
I can hear it through my helmet, but
it's
it's
been
not.
around.